What's going on, guys? It's Decelation, and today we're back on the Factory 535 hot rod truck. And if you're new to my channel, consider subscribing because I like to do a lot of cool builds, and if you like this type of content, hit that subscribe button below. So last you guys saw, I was painting the inside of these doors. So that came out really well. I'm very, very pleased with that. And the transition from gray to black came out marvelous. So I'm pretty stoked about that. So now what you guys see here is I've got to clean up and paint the hinges. I have to pull these hinges out, which is going to be fun. So I got to pull the dash off. So you guys are going to see me do that first. So pull the dash out, get these hinges out. I'm going to clean up everything and paint. And then we may start pulling out what's next. I have the gauges. The gauges aren't staying. I got a whole new setup for the gauges. You guys will see that probably towards the end of this video. If not, it'll be the first thing next video, because I really got to get that figured out in wiring, because I need to do a lot of things for the dash before we can paint it, and that's one of them. So yeah, this is gonna be fun. Welcome back, guys. Now, you saw that fun process getting the dash off. Actually, the dash isn't that bad. Just need to remember to unplug everything, which I did this time. It's good. But yeah, so now I have the hinges and the door handles pulled off. Now I gotta clean them and time to spray them with some paint. That's what I built this little thing for. I left my last little stand like this in Virginia, so I had to build another one real quick. But yeah, so we're gonna get these cleaned up and painted, and then I'll give you guys a sneak peek. Little sneak peek. Yeah, that Dakota Digital. Maybe if you guys can guess what's going in here, I'll get you guys something. I don't know. Comment down below, tell me which gauges you think I got for here. But yep, now I'm gonna get to these nice and cleaned, and hopefully we'll throw some paint on today. Welcome back, guys. So I finally finished sanding and hanging up all of these parts of the hinges, the door handles. So now it's just time to paint them. It's a little tight. I might have to adjust a couple of them, but I'm pretty ecstatic. So once all of these are painted, I can finally reassemble the doors, which final fit and finish of the doors, and I don't have to take them off anymore. Oh my god, I think you guys know how happy I am about that one. But yes, so let's hurry up and get these painted, and then I think I may unbox that. We'll see. The Dakota Digital. Did you guys guess it yet? All right, let me know in the comments. Welcome back, guys. So I got the first coat of paint on, and man, these look amazing. They came out perfect, so I'm pretty stoked. So now I just got to do the second coat of paint, and as long as I don't mess it up, I think I'll be all right. And yeah, that's awesome. So what I'm gonna do right now, put the second coat of paint, and I'm gonna unbox what I got for the gauges, because I'm pretty stoked about it. I hope you guys enjoy it. I was leaning more towards a retro style for this build and for the gauges, but it's really like a resto mod, so I figured I'd do something a little bit more modern. So I'm stoked. So I'm gonna finish doing this little thingy and then we're gonna unbox that. I don't think we're gonna have time today to actually start wiring it, but I don't know if you guys want to watch me wire it, because I gotta redo all of that wiring for the gauges. That's gonna be fun. But yeah, so paint, then unboxing. Welcome back, guys. So now that the second coat of paint is done on these, I've unboxed my new digital display. So as you see, it's all going to be one enclosed unit. Has fuel, RPM, miles per hour, water temp, oil pressure, and voltage. And under here it's a multi-screen. It's going to have like odometer and other displays, and I believe somewhere around here there should be turn signal indicating as well. So it's going to be all in one. It's going to be beautiful. And instead of having that mess of wires that I've had to figure out, it's all going to come straight. All those wires are going to be wired straight to this control box, and then when I need to pull out the cluster, one ribbon cable, extra sensors, some extra wires. So yes, this is my new gauge system. So I know I was kind of going with the more retro style gauges originally, but I kind of like the more modern gauges and stuff. So, and this is kind of a resto mod anyway, so might as well up it up. But no, I really do appreciate you guys watching these videos. If you like this type of content, comment down below, let me know. Hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you know when I release new videos. And if you like this video, hit the like button. Thank you guys. I really do appreciate you. Have a good one. Peace.